Hello, dear students. Today we are going to learn a very interesting topic in maths, and that is measurement. We have already learned length and weight. If you haven't watched those videos, then please do watch them first, as they will help you to understand the lesson better. The link of those videos are given in the description box. You will find them in the comment box too. So, without wasting time, let us start our today's topic, and that is volume and capacity. Children, these are some vessels full of water. Observe them carefully and tell which one can hold more water and which one less. Yes, the bucket will hold the most water and the glass the least. Children, now let us learn about volume. Amount of liquid present in a container is called volume. Now let us take an example, children. Pour 3 liters of water into each of the above containers. The water will take a different shape in each container because each container is of a different shape, but the volume of water in each container is 3 liters. आता मुलांनो, इथे तुम्हाला काय करायचं आहे, 3 लिटर वॉटर घ्यायचं आहे आणि ते हे जे वेसल्स दिलेले आहेत त्या प्रत्येक वेसलमध्ये 3 लिटर्स वॉटर तुम्हाला टाकायचं आहे. मग काय होणार आहे, प्रत्येक कंटेनरमध्ये वॉटर हे त्या कंटेनरचा शेप घेणार आहे. पण वॉटरची जी क्वांटिटी आहे प्रत्येक वेसलमध्ये ती किती असणार आहे मुलांनो, तर ती असणार आहे 3 लिटर्स. म्हणजेच काय, तर द व्हॉल्यूम ऑफ वॉटर इन ईच कंटेनर इज 3 liters. Now let us take one more example to understand it better. Children, on this slide there are 3 water bottles and each water bottle has 1 liter water. So total water in the bottle is 3 liter. If all the water is put in this bucket, then the volume of the water in the bucket is 3 liter. Now let us learn about capacity. What is capacity? The amount of water that is needed to fill any container such as a pot, a bucket, a drum or a pan is called the capacity of the container. Now children, look at the water bottle in this picture. There are total 7 water bottles of 1 liter each. So total water in the bottle is 7 liter. 7 liter water is poured in this bucket. Okay children, in this bucket. So you can see the bucket is fully filled with the volume of 7 liter water. Therefore, we can say the capacity of this bucket is 7 liter. मुलांनो, इथे 7 वॉटर बॉटल्स आहेत आणि 7 वॉटर बॉटल्समध्ये टोटल किती लिटर वॉटर आहे, तर 7 लिटर. आणि जर आपण या सगळ्या बॉटल्समधलं पाणी ह्या बकेटमध्ये जर टाकलं तर ही बकेट फुल होते. म्हणजेच काय, तर या बकेटची कपॅसिटी ही 7 liter आहे. Children, this bucket became full when 40 glasses of water were poured into it. And same bucket, this is the same bucket, became full with 10 pitchers of water. The same amount of water measures different because different means were used to measure it. तर मुलांनो, असं का बरं झालं, सेम बकेट आहे, ही आणि ही दोन्ही सेम बकेट्स आहेत, पण सेम दोन्ही बकेट असताना सुद्धा ती भरण्यासाठी इथे 40 ग्लासेस लागले आणि इथे 10 पिचर्स लागले. का बरं, कारण की ही बकेट भरण्यासाठी जे मीन्स होते ते डिफरंट होते. इथे हा ग्लास यूज केलेला आहे आणि इथे पिक्चर यूज केलेला आहे. त्यामुळे हा फरक झालेला आहे. चिल्ड्रन, नो मॅटर who fills water in the bucket, it should measure the same. For that, we must use a standard measure. Children, can you see different container in this picture? This type of containers are mainly used to measure milk by milkman. We use liter and milliliter for measuring liquid like water, milk, juice, petrol, diesel, and oil. The liter is a standard unit for measuring liquid. The picture alongside shows a measure used especially for kerosene. Units of measuring capacity. Liter is represented like this. Milliliter is represented like this. 1000 milliliters is equal to 1 liter. Liter is a large unit of measuring capacity. Children, when you are unwell, you go to the doctor. Doctor gives you liquid medicine. You will also get a measuring cup along with the liquid medicine. If you observe carefully, you will see the markings such as 2.5 ml, 5 ml, 10 ml on this measuring cup. These markings help you to consume the liquid medicine in the right quantity. So children, as you can see here, milliliter is a smaller unit of measuring capacity. So that's all for today, children. We will meet again in our next video. Till then, keep learning, keep enjoying. Bye bye.